Remember, as the famous quote by Charles Darwin goes, it is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the one that is the most adaptable to change. Embrace change, learn from it, and cultivate an adaptable mindset in your workplace and beyond. Remember to add value wherever you are. Add value to your clients. Add value to your business. Add value to your colleagues. And mostly, add value to you as an individual. Always strive to add value where you are.